Okay, here's another video. I just got done installing the headlights on the car. So the headlights are on right now. I readjusted the engine a little bit, and look at this. Right now it's running retarded, and look at how this engine is running. It's running at about 500 RPMs, and it's so very stable. It's amazing. It really is. I mean, this car, the engine's unbelievable. So there you go. I got that all taken care of now. So I'm just buttoning it all up. I'm gonna have to get a new speedometer cable. Here's the inside, and you see the new transmission, and everything's installed now. She's running really well. And as a matter of fact, let me push the timing up a little bit more, and you'll see the difference in the way she runs when you have a little bit more advance. Right now it's really running retarded. So kick it up a little bit. See, now it straightens it out. There you go. Nice idle. Look at that engine run. Boy, this thing runs beautiful. It really does. What a car. What a great car. So I made a lot of progress again today. There she is. It's a good Model A. The next guy who gets it will really be happy with it. I'm not done yet though. I just got to put a speedometer cable on it and wrap it up, and then the tires and the wheels, the original wheels on it, they're getting powder coated right now. Anyway, I just wanted to do another video. That's it.